Hi again everyone, Mahmoud here from the Greenhouse Gas Reporting Program. In this video, I will be demonstrating how you can use the ECCC and Partners GHG reporting module in SWIM to report your nitric acid expanded emissions data to Environment and Climate Change Canada. Please make sure that you watch my previous general expanded video as it touches upon the fuel combustion and on-site transportation screens, which are both required to complete your expanded reporting requirements for the nitric acid production activity. So let's get started. The nitric acid production screen will be available if you have selected the nitric acid production activity from the Facility Activities screen. In addition to providing fuel combustion and on-site transportation information, you also need to provide specific information relating to nitric acid production. So from this screen, you can fulfill reporting requirements in Schedule 14 of the notice. The parameters required are dependent on the methodology chosen, for example, whether abatement technology can be bypassed or not. Please keep in mind that the system will log you out after 20 minutes of inactivity. So please make sure that you constantly save your data so that no data entered is lost by clicking on the Save Continue button at the bottom of the screen. It's always best to have all your information on hand while filling in your report. For facilities with abatement technology that can be bypassed, for example, downtime is possible, details may be entered by clicking on the Add icon under Abatement Downtime, which will display the following screen. So from here, you can enter the relevant information and click on Save to return to the nitric acid production screen. So let's go ahead and fill in this information. And now click on Save. Where abatement cannot be bypassed, please make sure that you enter this information under the Abatement is Integrated heading on this screen. Simply fill in your information. So also available in the screen is an optional section titled Additional Information, where you can click on the Add icon. And this can be done to upload an attachment containing additional information relating to nitric acid production that is not captured elsewhere. So please complete the nitric acid production screen. So once all relevant fields have been completed, click on Validate. This will check if there are any issues or missing information. Once there are no issues, a green check mark will appear at the left-hand menu right beside nitric acid production. And then you can click on Save Continue. So next are the general reporting requirements, sections A, B, and C. Once you have completed your expanded screens for nitric acid production, the Load Activity Emissions into sections A, B, and C button will appear at the top of section A as shown now. Select Load Activity Emissions into section A, B, and C to load information entered from the expanded screens into section A, B, and C of the report. This will ensure that emission totals in section A, B, and C correspond to the information entered for the activities selected. This is an expected outcome. If for a particular reason a change in the total is required, it is highly recommended that the Load Activity Emissions into section A, B, and C option is still used, and then the specific emission totals are adjusted as necessary. So let's go ahead and use this option and click on Yes. And now emissions data from the activity screen have been loaded into sections A, B, and C of the report. So from here, please complete the remaining screens for comments and confidentiality requests. I should note that where emission totals have been adjusted from what was initially loaded from the activity screens, please include comments in your report to explain why this was the case. After that is complete, you will be able to submit your report. If you require guidance on how to complete the remaining screens, please follow the guidance given in the General Reporting Requirements video, as you will be required to follow the exact same steps in order to submit your report. So this concludes the demonstration video for the nitric acid expanded screen. Thank you all for watching.